My name is Wes Wilkes, Executive Director of Strategy for InterbrandHealth, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about hospitals and how they're starting to have to compete for physicians, compete for patients, and actually compete for partners. Hospitals are waking up to the fact that brand can play a key role in telling the world who they are, why they exist, and most importantly, why they're different. So 3 things to keep in mind as you're thinking about how brand can play a role in a hospital or a hospital system. Number 1 is really understand what's generating demand. Most hospitals are going towards patients directly to increase demand, but as we work closer and closer with our clients, we understand that physicians are playing a much larger role in actually driving patient inflow into the hospitals. The second thing we've learned is patients really have an expectation that their hospital has local roots, but they're very delighted to know that it's part of something bigger. Oftentimes, being a part of something bigger means that you have a different set of standards, a different infrastructure, a different set of protocols that actually impact the way that patient care is given. Be very cognizant of what that affiliation with the larger system can bring to you as a differentiator for your local hospital. The third thing we're really uncovering as we look at the role that brand plays in hospitals is understanding why patients go to the hospital in the first place. Most marketing efforts go clearly at the heart of patient care, but please don't forget that most patients go to the hospital in the first place based on a particular need or the reputation or clinical reputation that a hospital has to fix that need. It's oftentimes the care they receive at the hospital that actually makes them a loyal consumer or patient for life. So remember how brand can play a role in your local hospital or system. Understand what's driving the desire for patients to go to your system in the first place. Think about how brand and that narrative you're telling the marketplace is a real tool for you in changing and influencing that demand at the local level.